Okay, so UNice Hair did their big one. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to be showing you how I installed this beautiful 24-inch Burmese curly half wig by UNice Hair. Y'all, I am so in love. Just look how pretty it is. Extremely easy to install, and it's like stuck. It isn't going anywhere. So lately I've been wearing just like half wigs, U-part wigs, V-part wigs. This is the summertime. You kind of want to cover up your real hair a lot. I did some silk presses and blowouts, but they didn't last long. Also too, because I work out. I like stuff that's convenient that I can pop on and pop off. I love this supernatural look that I did. I just did a cute little style in the front, super easy. I did the rubber band method where you like slick your hair back and you just put a rubber band at the end. I just did 2 twists on the side, and of course I slicked this back as well to do like a Fulani type of look or whatever. It's just giving like black girl magic, honestly.
So this is what the wig looks like once you take it out of the package. Very full, and I always love the cute spiral ends. In the inside of the wig, there's 2 combs at the front and 2 combs on the side, and there's also one in the back. It has this elastic Velcro strap that you could adjust to your head, which I really love. And then this drawstring actually stays in place when I tighten it and doesn't loosen up. So I already styled the front of my head, and I have these 3 large cornrows in the back. And right here, I'm just going to stick the combs directly into my cornrows. And once that's done, all I'm going to do now is just adjust the straps to fit my head. First, I'm going to comfortably adjust the drawstring, and then I'm going to strap the Velcro straps to fit my head.
This is already turning out so pretty. You can even do like a braid or a twist. Let me see how the braid looks. I actually like it dry. I thought about wetting it, but I actually like it just like this, dry and fluffy. But I'm about to braid it, do a braid to go across the front of my hair. I might want to twist, so let's see. Let me see, do I want the braid or the braid is cute. Okay, so I'm gonna do a loose braid. To loosen up the braid a bit, make it a little messy. Just took it from the side right here. As you can see, it's just a messy old braid. Then I'm just gonna string it across and probably here so it can cover the front. Well, I should have it come down more so that it could be like a braid hanging. Matter of fact, I'm going to do that. And I'm just going to take some of my, I got this rice water from Hairfinity. Just going to take some with the ends, the bits, and then I'm going to curl it. And actually, I have some Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls by Miss Jessie's. I'll list everything in the description. See? Okay, so I got my messy braid at the top. And I'm just gonna string it across. I like that braid hanging there. I'm gonna pin it here. Actually gonna do one more from this side. This is why lately all I have been wearing is the V-part wigs or U-part wigs. Burmese curly half wigs are like my favorite. Like ever since I started wearing them, I haven't looked back yet. They're so convenient. I feel like these curls are a little bit tighter than the one that I had. so secure. The combs aren't hurting my head at all. I stuck it in the hair part. I didn't really, it's not like scraping my head or anything. Definitely use a wig grip if you're going to wear it just like as a flip over. Those take so much tension off of your natural hair. The wig really sits on the wig grip. Of course I have mine and I live by that. With these wigs, because the front of the wig is like the invisible method, if you wear it as like a regular flip over, you only need a tiny bit of leave out. You don't need a ton of leave out with these wigs. It doesn't require that. So I just want to show you guys how versatile this wig is.
So right here I'm showing you how I do my half up, half down. There are so many ways that you can style this half wig, and this is one of my favorites as well. I just mixed it with a little water just to calm the curls a bit, because me playing around with it made it even more fluffy. But then I'm just going to rub a little of Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls to hold my curls in place. Okay y'all, so this is the finished look. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All of the details for this wig will be listed in my description.